we've ended up with a hanging man, spinning top, range bar off a level. So really just highlighting the indecision here. And this is a pretty strong level for the DAX, okay? So this is 12,945, which is pretty much, if you look at the left, you'll see all this interaction at this level here. So we've hit it, tested the previous high, came back, still closed, not on our high, but we closed higher. If we just drill down to the 3 minute, the 3 hour, and be a bit of a disaster if I was trading the 3 minute chart. So this little gap here is closed. We've come back. I'm almost willing to say that at level has broken. We had a close above it. We've come back. Buyers are stepping in below. Right now, futures market is pretty far to the downside at the moment. I think we're down 0.7% right now. But I still believe that there is opportunities to buy, and we should be buying the pullback. Now I'm just getting some levels in here. So the first level, there's actually a couple here. I think that one is gone. Let's focus on this one. So this one here, the reason I say that it's gone is price has broken below this fractal. This is my next fractal, and then the fractal after that is pretty much right over here. Okay, so those are my levels. As soon as we drill down to the hour, we'll see we do have this gap area here, so that would be a pretty good area to get into. And any one of these levels here, so 12,843, 12,800, and 12,770, that would pretty much get me watching it pretty closely on the 15 minute to see if there's an opportunity to buy. We do have this diamond pattern here. I don't know if it's probably going to turn out to be a channel more than likely. So you're going to get a gap down and we're going to be bouncing around in this channel. But there's also a flag. So I'd like to see it come back into an area of support, 12,800, 12,770, and see what price action we get on the 15 minutes. And that's going to get me long. So if we just look at the futures market right now, it's sitting at 12,834. 12,834, pretty much around this area here. Okay, so this is the area I'd be watching. And I think 9 o'clock European time is the time to pay attention to. And sorry, when I said diamond pattern, what I'm talking about is that. Okay. But I think that's pretty much null and void. We can just put in the levels I want to keep and then delete the rest. Okay, so that's my plan at the moment. Be watching this zone. It looks to be fairly strong, and if we get any opportunities to buy in this area, that's what we will be doing. We will be buying, moving along to the upside with the trend, anticipating a breakout of 12,927. Breakout of 12,927 basically gets us, where's the next level then? We've got sort of a minor level up here, just below the gap. We've got another one right there. Okay, so we've got two levels to the upside, which are going to be 13,100 and 13,200. Right on. I just want to see if I can get a read on that, if it makes sense. Back down to that level makes sense. Okay, so there's one more level we're going to add in here, which is this level down here, which is basically the 4 hour fractal, which is 12,700. Okay, any pullback into any of these levels that I've put in here, ranging between 12,840 and 12,700. Any bullish price action off a level inside that area is going to get me long, and this pullback all the way down here does make sense. That would give us a measured move pretty much to target 12,200. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view on the DAX. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.